Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. You're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling. Your body is tired, but your mind refuses to sleep. You replay a conversation from 3 days ago. Did I say something wrong? Then your brain jumps to tomorrow. What if I fail my exam? What if I lose my job? What if people judge me? One thought becomes 10, 10 become 100, and before you know it, you've created an entire disaster that hasn't even happened. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with overthinking. But here's something surprising. Your brain isn't trying to hurt you. It's actually trying to protect you. Thousands of years ago, humans survived by constantly looking for danger. The people who noticed risks were more likely to stay alive. The problem is, your brain still uses that same survival system today. Except now, instead of worrying about wild animals, it worries about text messages, exams, careers, relationships, and what other people think of us. Your brain can't always tell the difference between a real threat and an imagined one. That's why a simple message like, "Can we talk?" can suddenly feel terrifying. Here's where most people get stuck. They believe that if they think about a problem long enough, they'll eventually solve it. But overthinking doesn't usually solve problems. It creates imaginary ones. Think about it like this. Imagine sitting in a rocking chair. You're moving constantly. You're putting in a lot of effort. But are you actually going anywhere? No. That's exactly what overthinking feels like. Your mind stays busy, but your life stays still. So how do you stop? The first step is to ask yourself one simple question. Is this a problem I can solve right now? If the answer is yes, stop thinking and take one small action. If the answer is no, then continuing to think about it won't change the outcome. The second step is to notice when your brain starts telling stories instead of facts. For example, I made one mistake. That's a fact. I'm going to fail at everything. That's a story. Learning to separate facts from assumptions can make a huge difference. And finally, remember this. Your thoughts are not predictions. Just because your mind imagines something doesn't mean it's going to happen. The human brain is incredibly creative. Sometimes it's creative in wonderful ways. Sometimes it's creative at inventing problems that never become reality. So the next time you catch yourself overthinking, pause for a moment and ask, am I preparing for reality? Or am I preparing for a story my mind created? That one question might save you hours of unnecessary stress. If you found this helpful, follow for more psychology explained in simple words.